Hi, and welcome to Mentionlytics video guide. Today, we're going to do a thorough walkthrough of Mentionlytics reports covering standard, customizable, and white labeling reports, plus our new Facebook and Instagram owned media analytics. Let's start with standard reports available on the advanced plan. These include top mention report with emotion analysis, see the most impactful mentions and how they're perceived, influencer report, identify key voices discussing your brand, share voice report, compare your brand's visibility against competitors. If you've added competitors, you'll see a direct comparison between you and them, helping you understand your market position. We've also introduced Facebook and Instagram-owned media analytics available for authorized pages only. Facebook-owned media analytics includes page metrics and performance summary, followers growth and publishing behavior, post performance, impressions and engagement, video performance and fan demographics. Instagram-owned media analytics includes page metrics, performance summary and followers growth, post performance, impressions and engagement, fan demographics including gender and age breakdowns. To access this, you must connect and authorize your business Instagram or Facebook profile. Beyond standard reports on the Pro plan and above, we offer customizable reports with a report builder. Here you'll find everything your dashboard offers, including sentiment analysis, media share, word cloud, geographic data, and more. In customizable reports, you can customize the layout. You can enable or disable sections like word cloud or media share. You can adjust data visualization, change styles, select hashtags, filter data, and rename sections. Also, you can add new metrics, include AI mention clusters to track viral topics, owned media analytics, or tracker visualization to see how viral your brand or your competitor is online. Once you've customized your report, you can download it as a PDF file by clicking Download. Just wait a few seconds and a blue lettered Download button will appear. Then click on the Download button to download your PDF report. You can also schedule reports to be sent automatically via email. You can set email frequency. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly updates. We recommend avoiding the as soon as detected notifications to prevent excessive emails. You can add multiple recipients. You can send reports to as many emails as needed, and you can also include attachments and presets. You can customize what's included in the email and CC or BCC recipients. For agencies and enterprises, we have the white label reports that allow you to share fully branded reports without Mentionlytics logos, maintaining a professional and cohesive experience for your clients. And that's a wrap on Mentionlytics reporting. With standard, customizable, and white label reports, plus our new Facebook and Instagram analytics, you have everything you need to track, analyze, and present your data like a pro. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video guide.